Lance 996, right downwind for 18.
Lance 996, Roger, continue. You will be following a Baron on the left base to 18.
996, be looking for the Baron.
And Baron 46, expect your order. Clear to land number 2, runway 18.
Expect clear to land number 2, runway 18.
And Lance 996, just report that Baron in sight.
Still looking, 996.
They're on their turn to final now, about 2 miles down.
Fond du Lac Tower, Bonanza 6028 Echo, 10 miles west with Lima.
Calling Fond du Lac Towers at Bonanza 6028 Echo.
6028 Echo, 10 miles west of south.
Bonanza 28 Echo, report 4 miles west.
Call you 4.
Baron 46, Quebec, are you parking or camping tonight?
Oh, we're parking.
Roger, make a right turn runway. Turn here, 46 Quebec. 46 Quebec, affirmative. And Lance 996, just continue your clear to land space is good.
996, we'll be camping.
Roger. Lance 996, left turn Alpha 3, and that'll be Alpha to camping.
Kilo Charlie, left turn on Alpha, and then left turn on Alpha to camping.
Kilo Charlie.
Mr. 28 Echo, you can turn left on Alpha and then a right turn on Alpha to parking.
All right, we'll start. Thanks.
Good day.
Dan Cherokee 62 Whiskey, are you going to be parking or camping tonight?
We'll be camping tonight and then departing in the morning.
Roger, and spacing's good with traffic is following runway 18, clear to land number 2, expect a left turn off.
Clear to land, runway 18, 7362 Whiskey.
Cessna 62 Sierra.
It's
There's an overcast above me, but it's clear, good visibility down here. 60 Mike, Roger, report a midfield right downwind for runway 1. Roger, midfield right downwind, 6 Mike.
Auto Lac Tower, Golf Romeo Victor Victor, we're 12 to the west, we're at 1600.
Charlie Golf, Romeo Victor Victor, Roger, report 2 out for a midfield right downwind, runway 18.
We'll call you 2 back, Romeo Victor Victor. Tower 76 Tango is turning final.
Flyer 76 Tango will be a left turn, runway 27, left turn on Alpha to camping.
Okay, left turn here, and we're going to be hardtop parking if we can.
Flight 369 Mike, turn on Alpha. Bonanza 906 Sierra, Roger, you said you're 5 for the south?
Right now we're 10 miles southwest.
Bonanza 906 Sierra, Roger, expect to right downwind, runway 18, report 4 miles out.
Right downwind for runway 18.
Small 170, you parking or camping tonight?
Camping for the night, small 170.
Roger, make a left turn, runway 27, left turn.
Clear to land, Romeo Victor Victor.
Romeo Victor Victor, do you have a reservation on the hardtop?
No, we diverted here.
Romeo Victor Victor, expect a right turn after landing runway 18.
Okay, we'll plan for a right turn. And Fond du Lac Tower, 52 Kilo, we're back with you over the water and clear skies here, 5 miles north of the field. On the wide right base.
November 906 Sierra, not in sight, runway 18, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 18, thank you, 960. Fond du Lac Tower, Guardcopter 18092, 10 to the south.
Guardcopter 18092, Fond du Lac Tower.
Fond du Lac Tower, Guardcopter 18092, single 847, 2400, 10 to your south. Information Mike, en route to Oshkosh.
Guardcopter 0902, transition approved, report to be in the airport.
Report to be in the airport, Guardcopter 18092. Fond du Lac Tower, but
Bearing 748, the Bonanza Falls is going to do a short approach, standard pattern for you. I see you there. Just go ahead and widen out to the right. Widen out to the right a little bit wide pattern there for you. Stay below the clouds. Number 2, follow the Bonanza. He's going to make a wide, or he's going to make a short approach for you, wide pattern for you. And runway 18, number 2, clear to land.
2 clear to land, thanks, Roger, what else? And 96 here has a reserved spot on the pavement.
96 Oshkosh making it look like a pro. Bearing 5 Jude Alpha, runway 18, clear to land, turn left, your discretion for the base.
Clear to land, 5 Jude Alpha.
Tango Yankee calling taken.
Tango Yankee, Fond du Lac Tower, Skyhawk, Skyhawk, 10 miles to the south, landing Fond du Lac.
Tango Yankee, Roger, enter left downwind.
Guardcopter 18092 is 1 mile southeast of your position. We'll call a beam.
Thanks.
Tango Echo, left turn on runway 27, left turn on runway 27, then a left turn on Alpha taxi. Golf Delta uniform, overnight parking or camping?
Overnight, thank you. Turning base.
Delta uniform, Roger, runway 18, clear to land. Plan on making a right turn on the runway.
Roger, right turn. Tower, Cessna 30404 is Midfield.
Overnight camping, I needed you on a left turn on Alpha. Are you still on my frequency?
Yes, ma'am. 190 uniform. We're gonna camp overnight. Yes.
190 uniform. Make a 180 there on Alpha, and you'll be taxing northbound on Alpha, just past the hangar. Right turn on runway 27, right turn on runway 27, follow the flagman.